poolside, baby. I just wanna hold your hand. The water's warm here,
The VC driver.
and it feels alright.
Mata lang, mata.
Meet me over at the rooftop, baby. I just wanna dance the night away with you in my arms now. Drift off our hearts floating like clouds, and it feels alright.
Ay, sino siya? Sino to?
Hi! Against the light ka.
Welcome to my resort.
Uy!
Diba last time parang sinabi ko pa lang yung bahay ko. Ngayon,
Oo.
pero nakapagtayo na ako ng resort dahil sa suporta nyo. Maraming salamat.
Yeah,
Hindi ko po kilala.
ang gaganda nila, oh.
Hindi ko po kilala.
Hindi ka po namin kilala. Sino ka ba? Ay, against the light. Uy, kabalas! Ingkay ko! Yung chinelas ko! Limbo yan, limbo!
I'll be right there if it makes you happy. I love you 100, that's all the time. You'll be right there if it makes me happy. Through every season, that's all the time.
Hindi mo tumama yung natsa mo lang eh.
Yung daya nyo? Walang kaya. Second outfit! Grabe guys, we're back here. Yung first punta namin dito, first time ko mag-swimsuit, share ko lang. Tapos ngayon, look! Grabe yung improvement. Mas may confidence na akong mag-ganito-ganito. Sunset. Uy, oh. Te.
Good morning!
Hi!
Morning.
We were earlier
Good morning,
than you. Guys. We woke up at 4:02.
Okay, bye-bye.
Morning to my house.
Morning!
Dito.
Doon.
So, we're gonna go there to the
Sa
guest
ano?
room.
Sa tahimik na bahay.
Tahimik kung saan natutulog yung prinsipe.
Yan daw.
Three little mice.
Three little babies.
Three blind mice. Tulog pa po yung prinsipe namin. Prince Ali, my tia siya, inababa.
Singin mo.
Show some respect. Singin. Sid. Sid.
Swimming na tayo.
Chik. Yan.
Oo, yun na.
Second outfit. This looks familiar to you. Yes, ito yung sinuot ko nung birthday ko. Pero nag-iba ako ng shorts. Ako lang ba? Parang nalapit ng camera ko. Anyway. Nalapit niya sis. So, ngayon, magpapaganda-ganda muna ako. Mag-iikat ako para later kulot yung buhok natin. Mamayang sunset. So, yeah. Tingnan mo tayo, pantay kaya? Hindi. So, yan. Pero pangit. Na? Pangit. Oo. As in. Ba, nakaka-bother? Oo. Eh? Medyo mo ba sa tignan mo. Ayan, oh. Maganda naman sa harap mo. Sa harap nga. Kain muna siya! What?
Tulad kita makabaulat. Yeah.
Kaya hindi siya mag-vlog.
Napaganda-ganda lang. Ano mong content.
Hey guys, hey vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna brush my teeth. Can you see me properly? Because I can't see you properly. I'm not wearing my glasses. I can't see a thing. I don't want to miss a thing. Okay, ka mag-change ako dito sa ginagawa. Pero who cares? I'm 18. I'm legal. So,
Let's go! Out! Adventure! Adventure time! Halo, halo. Lipa po sa ito.
Ayun, yung top na lang.
Passport na lang ako.
Ayun na, tayo mo naman. Ayun. Basta pinakababa.
Pwede na.
Ay, for the first time, kami nanalo. For the first time, di kami natira.
Bababaero, pangalan ko sa kwento. Ngayon walang pruweba, puro lamang invento. Oh bababaero, oh bababaero.
On the phone and you talk real slow. Cause it's late and your mama don't know. Get ready with us. My first step is this. Next is concealer. And then this, para tumangos ang ating ilong. Hinahanap ka na ng puso ko. Baby, ikaw lang talaga ang nami-miss ko sa tuwid-tuwid na.
Sino nami-miss mo?
Wala.
Baka yung ano.
Okay na to. Please don't judge me. This is how I do my makeup. I don't watch tutorials because, you know, I do it myself. Gusto kong patunayan.
Hindi, patunayan mo daw. Tama na nga, baka mamaya magpapakon.
Oh, yung ganda nitong pangkilay. It's Korean. Alam ko Korean to. Nabili ko siya sa TikTok. Ay, sa TikTok, sa Shopee. Basta Korean. Pang-browse siya sa Korea. And ang ganda-ganda. Kailangan natin ng matinding focus pag nag-eyeliner. Hindi ako marunong huwag niyo ma-judge. Oy, I love this. Thank you, Alyosha. Ginom sa akin din ni Alyosha.
He's gotta play a part. Trouble is a friend.
Blush on. Oy, dalawa na yung ganito kong blush on. In fairness, maganda. Ay! Sino to? Sino to? Oh my gosh.
Ay, wala pa. Yan. Lumumula siya, tignan mo. Yung pula niya, orange.
Bakit ang TV pa nga sa tao? Ay, mo kita lang.
Hi. Hi. Ay, ang ganda rin. Ow! Seaboy. Talang tayo. Ganto tayo. Uy! Ganto tayo.
Oo,
Kaya hindi na lang pinapansin.
Pwede pa. Harap.
Yung kain gusto namin no, mainit eh.
Uy! Ay! Ay, kunin mo yung phone.
Lahat na lang mawawala sa'yo ulit.
Ay!
Diyos ko, kapale.
Gusto niyo yan, no?
Hindi ko kaya. Sa lahat na nagbi-beach, kaming hindi nakaharap sa beach. Nasa likod namin yung beach because it's hot. Gagawin natin.
'Cause you are my medicine when you're close to me. When you're close to me. The coal and the submarine.
Vlog takeover pero madilim.
Hi guys! Gusto ko ng jowang pipicture na ako ng balay.
Ano?
That's number 1 sa checklist.
Pipicturean ka lagi.
Dapat siya mag-picture.
Ah.
Or kung di man siya mahilig mag-picture, dapat magiging mahilig siya mag-picture dahil sa
Ayun daw yung
dapat
requirement.
palagi niya akong pinipicture.
Yes.
Dapat magaling mag-picture. Hindi, kahit di siya magaling mag-picture, basta willing siyang picturean ako palagi.
Humanap ka ng photojournalist.
Malay mo, magaling nga siyang mag-picture pero ayaw niya naman nag-picture. So, dun
Or
ako
what
sa...
if magaling siya mag-picture pero ayaw ka niya?
Where is it? Come to me. Come. Come to me. Tagal. Ayaw niya. Come to me. Diyos ko, kanina pa ako naghihintay. Nasaan na? Ayaw niya. We're having the time of our lives. Girls just wanna have fun. Vlog niya ba kayo? Sige, boy yan! Waterproof yan! Spoiler alert! My phone died. As in, patay na siya ngayon. So, this is your sign to not bring your phone kapag nasa dagat kayo, kapag malapit kayo sa dagat. Kahit nasabihin pa nilang waterproof yan, water resistant yan, you never know. So, yeah. Rest in peace, Android phone.
Wait lang! Napasukan na buhangin!
I'm still in shock, guys. Muntik. Nababad siya sa alon. Tapos, inalon siya ng 2 beses bago nila nahanap. Second life ng cellphone ko. Ingatan na kita. 2 years ka pa lang. Hindi ko pa pwedeng mawala.
Ulit. 1, 2. Dali. Close. Open. Close. Naka-go na to. Dali mo.
Gumaganyan.
Yan na.
Oh, you fall dyan!
Monkeys jumping on the bed.
One fell off and bumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "Hey, you magaling na kayo."
Oh, you say hi to the vlog. Hi. You watch my vlog? Do you watch my vlog?
Yes.
Really?
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Shut down.
Shut down to my family. Shut down.
So guys, kasi ganito yung kwento. Binili na namin to.
Surprise! 1, 2, 3, go!
At di ko alam bakit ba nagkakaganto.
You shout out your crush.
Shut up, Casey.
Pati ba hindi?
It's not Jose.
It's not Jose anymore?
Casey na daw. Yan ang yung nasa bahay
Clear
nila.
my out. It's from my house.
Oh, you changed your girl na?
She's not your classmate anymore?
I changed my school.
Aww, bye, Josa. Hindi ko alam naman kilala.
Good luck!
Shoutout to Ate Cheska and Ivon. Pumasok agad, natulog agad.
Palakpakan naman natin si baby girl all the way from Pampanga!
I see the crystal drops fall and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through.
Galing! Ganun sana, hey!
To make those rainbows in my mind.
Road mommy!
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
Moira ba to?
Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. And the bass, no trouble. I'm all about the bass. Now the bass, no trouble. I'm all about the bass. For the bass, no trouble. I'm all about the bass. For the bass. I see those magazines working on Photoshop. We know that stuff ain't real. Come on now, make it stop. If you got beauty, just raise them up. Don't worry about the sign.
Backup dancers!
Yours like a little booty to hold it down. But don't hold me no stick when you're still in the Barbie's arms. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and move along.
Come on everyone, hey!
Because you know I'm all about the bass, all the bass, no trouble. I'm all about the bass, all the bass, no trouble. I'm all about the bass, all the bass, no trouble. I'm all about the bring it, put it back.
Sir, ano pangalan mo, sir? JB.
Hindi ka na mag-iisa sa hirap at ginhawa ay ibigin ka. Wala na ko hanggang ngayon, mula na yun.
Thank you po. Thank you so much po. Hoy, sir, huwag ka nagte-thank you, may bayad yun. Kayo dyan, guys.
Napagod yung singer.
Meron ba?
Time to talk about life.
Fast talk with Janiel Micaela.
Tanong mo sa akin, how does it feel to be 18?
Ah, sige. How does it feel to be 18? Now na legal age ka na. Ano ang mga differences?
So first of all, masaya. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung birthday ko. As in, para siyang panaginip. Yung, as in, lahat ng pumunta. Thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta sa birthday ko. Sobrang na-appreciate ko kayo lahat. Like, lahat kayo. If you know, you know. Basta yun. Sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung birthday ko. Sobrang the best. Sobrang best birthday ever. And, ang sayo maging 18 kasi, for me, one word to describe it, liberating.
Wow! Spell.
Wag na yun. Liberating. Kasi, you know, like, yung mga hindi mo nagagawa dati, nagagawa mo na ngayon. Hindi naman, tas parang kung paano ka tratuhin ng parents mo, parang sincere, legal na, ganun. Parang gets na nila na parang naiintindihan mo na yung mga adultish matters, ganun. So, parang, kakwento na nila sa'yo yung mga medyo sensitive topics na pinagchichikan nila, pwede na. So, yung maging 18. As of now, nag-enjoy ako maging 18. Sana hindi mabate. Pero nag-enjoy talaga ako. Like, alam nyo ba, ito yung first birthday ko na talagang sobrang masaya ako. Like, from March 15, March 16, March 17, lalo na March 17. Pero ang saya talaga, like, nagagawa ko na lahat ng gusto kong gawin. Kanina nga, nag-shot-shot, inom pa kami. Tapos parang, ang ano lang nila, parang cool lang sila, pero ayos lang, normal, it's a normal thing. Sad lang, siguro, yung parang, hindi mo ko na mababalikan yung childhood. Pero you know, there's always that little Jenya inside, you know?
At least you're healing your inner child.
Yeah. Oo, yung mga gusto kong gawin dati, nagagawa ko na.
Alam mo ano dapat mong gawin ngayon? Maging ka mermaid.
Mermaid mo lang question ko sa kanya, what's your message sa 18 years old self mo? Kung nanonood man siya ngayon. If ever nababalikan natin to.
Okay. Sana, pag 18 ka na, free ka na. Sana pag 18 ka, mag-enjoy ka sa on your legal age. And sana, wala lang, sana masaya ka at the future. And you're not struggling with life and some sort of things. Basta yun.
Pero, you know, sige.
One wish ko lang naman is talagang dapat masaya yung future self ko kasi I deserve that.
Yeah, we all deserve to be happy.
Yeah.
You know, like yung mga struggles, nandiyan talaga sila. Hindi sila mawawala. And you know, hindi naman sila ibibigay sa inyo kung hindi nyo sila kaya. So, like, just trust the process and enjoy it. Enjoy it. Savor it. Kasi kung wala yung mga yan, hindi ka sasaya. Hindi mo truly ma-appreciate yung happiness kung wala yung mga sadness and all that stuff. So, yeah. Yeah. Good morning from my bare face. Guess who can't swim? Tumatawa kayo. But I'm fine. As long as my outfit is pretty and I get many pictures, I'll be fine.
Show me!
Good morning, guys. This is the other room. Tulog pa siya. Ay.
There's the two sisters bonding again.
Dito muna kami. So cool. Let's stay here. Let's stay with the besties.
Aww, so sad. Hindi siya makaka-swimming. Aww, so sad. Pakita ko si Sid. There's Sid, Sid, say hi! Hi! Sid, here's your photo.
Gawa naman kayo ng nakakatawa para may content yung vlog. Puro post lang sila eh. Now, you're watching Dolphin Show. Meron tayong dalawang trainer at ayun yung dolphin. Actually, tatlo yung trainer. And may isang dolphin. Feed the dolphin. Ang galing naman magano ng dolphin, oh. Oh, nakikipaglaro siya sa dolphin. Very good, dolphin. Tapos may dalawang trainer na hindi ginagawa yung trabaho nila. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe. Go! Ay, may kumakuha ng goal. Aww! Bakit?
Baka makalimutan ko na.
Brel! Brel! Hey! Bye! Dito po tayo sa mga aquarium ng mga stingray. Pa-foots pa ako sa kanila mamaya. Tapos baka ba sa stingray?
As far as I can see, I could use a vacation, but I gotta take care of my family. Back in my workday, gotta get back home. So I shipped into bed, cruise on.
Till next time.
My favorite songs.
Kaya puro na lang sila yung naman ang vlog ko. Balang kayo dyan. Last na to.
I'm always putting up a fight when I'm so damn tired. And all the time.
Dahil hindi makakapag-swimming yung ate niya, magaganda-gandahan na lang tayo. Get ready with me, part, I don't know. Parang medyo nababalo na ako, no? Kasi ako lang mag-isa sa room, tapos hindi ako makapag-swimming. alam nyo, dati, di ba yung mga, ano natin, yung mga nanay natin, parang hindi man sila nag-mens ng super. I mean, like, oh, arte. Ang bilis, ang days lang yung pag-mens nila. Unlike us, parang, di ko alam kung ako lang, pero pati yung mga cousins ko, so, 1 week yata yung mens, tapos minsan 2 weeks pa. So, dati, bakit parang mabilis lang nilang mag-mens and parang walang irregular sa kanila? So, ngayon, naisip ko, is it because of the food we eat? Most likely. Pero pwede rin yung pads natin na nagkakos. It's a hypothesis, okay? Feeling ko lang. Kasi feeling ako eh. Shucks! Sino kinakausap ko? Kayo! May nag-enjoy ako in fairness. I'm bored to be a vlogger talaga. Feeling. Shucks, full storage. Hinto lang ako. So proud of myself. Magaling akong tumawad. Natawaran ko to. 150, from 150 to 100. Pero kasi dun sa kabila, 100 lang siya. So, it's just right.
Kuya? Alam mo ba bakit kita pinatawag sa confession?
Hindi ko po alam, kuya.
Dahil sunod-sunod ang mga violation na ginawa mo sa loob ng aking bahay. Oo, ikaw ay lumalakad sa loob ng bahay nang walang lapel. At ilang beses din kita makitang sumisip-sip sa iyong mga housemate. At dahil dyan, pinapatawad kita ng isang forced eviction.
Suspended in the air, I hate myself breathing. Hanging by a thread, my heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet.
Mahirap itong decision ko, pero para itigil sa iyo, ikabubuti. Maraming salamat at paalam, JGL.
Without you beside me.
Dapat may flash kami mga members.
Oh, marunong ako maglipit eh.
In-game na naman po sila.
Ganda-gandahan.
Chu. Ako di ko na kailangan.
Uy!
Yan.
Ako muna.
So for today's episode, we will talk about the future. Would you rather live in the past or live in the present? Present. Live in the past or live in the future? Present. Legal moments. Legal moments. Oh my God.
I don't know how it happens. You took the floor, you said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're home. Hindi yun! Ayaw sa'yo tayo. At di ko alam.